Hey, I want to take this moment to show you some really cool prints. I had a friend of mine just order two canvas prints for his living room, and I sell a lot of these to both private residents and also commercial locations. And these two I just unpackaged, and they look so cool. I just wanted to show them off a little bit. And these are 30 by 40 canvas gallery wrap prints, and I really always had a strong proponent of the canvas gallery wraps. I'm going to show you why. First, let me show you the prints. They look really good. So these two are actually going to go together just like this, which is something that I like to advise on when people are choosing art. Let me show you real quick, because there's direction in my compositions when I photograph landscape, and when you're putting two or three or more prints together, I want to make sure the direction and the composition of each print itself complements each one, if that makes sense. So here we have a waterfall. Both of these were Hocking Hills, taken just last month. And here we have a waterfall oriented toward the right, and then I have a forest scene oriented toward the left. So together they make for a nice center weight, a nice balance at the center. Okay, so, but these look this great. Let me show you. So this is, okay, see that? 30 by 40 on canvas. And then the other one, okay. I really have a lot of fun. I have just as much fun showing these off as I do going out and capturing these. And right there. So what makes these canvas gallery wrap prints so nice is, that's what I mean by a wrap. The image goes around an internal frame like this, and here's the internal frame, right? Okay? And they come, I don't know if you can see that, wired and ready to go up on the wall. So this is a coated canvas archival quality print. So they are beautiful to look at. They're ready to go up on the wall. If you go to price framing and matting a print this size, it's a lot of money. So this is a great option. The print itself, the canvas gallery wrap print ready to hang, is a little pricier than just a flat print, but take in consideration that all that cost that would be involved in framing if you had just a traditional print. Let me show you this. So these two are brand new, right? Now look, this one is, ta-da, another 30 by 40 canvas gallery wrap print, Ash Cave, Hocking Hills, again. So, same setup, the back. What's the difference between this one and those two? 10 years. This is from 2008, okay? Those two are brand new. The one from 2008, the color and the richness looks just as good as the brand new ones. First of all, I have a professional print lab that I partner with, that I've been with for a very long time, and they're one of the best in the country. So they know how to work with my files, and they know what kind of process reproduces my digital files that I give them for best quality. The other thing too is, that's what I mean by archival quality. These prints don't fade. So a lot of times people, they decorate offices or homes, they go with like a reproduction poster art, I call it. So it's like, the Ansel Adams prints with the little Ansel Adams below. It's not original, it's a reproduction, it's a poster. And then they'll spend a ton of money on the frame, but actually it's just a poster print. And after like 10 years, you can really see it fade, especially if the sun's been hitting it, even behind archival quality glass. These canvas prints are extremely durable. They're archival quality. They're meant to last. The other thing I want to add too is that, when you buy directly from the artist, especially local art, one of the things I like to do, that I'd be happy to do this, whether it be a home or an office or a lobby, is to come in and for the artist himself to look at the space and see what existing light is there and what other elements are there. And I'm not a professional decorator, but I come from the perspective of actually, okay, this is what I created that I know would work really well in this space. And that's what I did with these two prints here. They're going to be a fantastic display. So that's something to think about. So I'd be happy to do that if you have a home here in the Dayton area, or an office or a lobby. Instead of, decorators are great. They buy from me all the time, which is, I don't want to put them at too much, but I can come in and say, hey, I have this image that would be absolutely perfect right there, considering the kind of light that's going against that wall and the other elements that are in the space too. So something to keep in mind. The other thing is local art. A lot of people, they buy art and they think they have to, if they do fine art landscape photography, it's always has to be some incredibly scenic location out west in a national park. And I see this in Ohio offices and I'm like, why not show off the beauty that's here? So when your clients or whoever you're entertaining comes in, they feel that immediate connection to your space. And it also, not only that, but my images have a sense of, I've been told they're very calming, they're very peaceful, they're serene. And there's a reason for that, because that's how I that's what attracts my eye, and that's what I photograph for me. So actually making it into a print, bringing those prints into an office or a living space, and actually having that kind of calmness. It doesn't have to be a hospital or medical facility. It could be, if you want to show in a local lobby or an office with, say, local art that is very peaceful, that can be conducive to a positive work environment anywhere. So another thing to think about. So archival quality, meant to last, ready to go up on the wall, don't have the expense with the framing. We have me too, so, and also, often I get asked to sign these as well, so I'm happy to do that as well too. So, but these two, I just look at that. Look, that's going to be a beautiful presentation. So, yeah, I just like showing those off. So, on my website, jimcrotty.com, if you go to portfolio and click on landscapes, there's over 100 of my best-selling images to choose from. Any one of those can be a 30 by 40 canvas gallery wrap print. And you can always order normal size, normal type of prints also, but if you're interested in these canvas gallery wrap prints and you see something on my website or on my social media that you would look really nice on your wall as one of these, all you gotta do is message me and let me know. I'll get a price to you right away. They come directly from my pro lab, and a lot of times I can deliver them to you too. So yeah, so it's cool. Thanks.